Hello students, today we are going to perform the experiment from communication electronics. The title of experiment is frequency shift keying or FSK using XR2206. FSK is the digital modulation technique in which the frequency of carrier signal varies according to the digital signal. The output of FSK modulated wave is high in frequency for the binary high input and is low in frequency for the binary low input. The binary high and binary 0, they are called as mark and space frequencies. To perform the experiment, first connect the circuit as per circuit diagram. Check it, then power on the supply. Make some adjustments. First, adjust the two ports provided on the kit. These two ports. Using these two ports, adjust the sine wave, which is minimum with distortion at the pin number 2. First, give high voltage to pin number 9 and observe the frequency on CRO. You can measure this frequency as our usual method, or this DSO has a facility. When you press this measure button, it will directly display the frequency. As you can see, the frequency displayed here, it is nearly 1.52 to 57 Hertz. You can make it instantaneous by pressing the run stop button. Stop. Here it will give 1.046 kilohertz. Then apply 0 volt to pin number 9. When we apply the 0 volt, here the frequency is now changed, which is here a space frequency. You can measure it as earlier. Press the measure button and for stable reading, press this run stop button. It gives 2.22 kilohertz. First we measure these two frequencies, then connect TTL from signal generator to pin number 9. Take the output from pin number 2. You can see the output from pin number 2 when you connect TTL input at pin number 9, and clearly you can visualize that there is a frequency modulation. You can make it stable using the level button, see, or as usual you can make it stable by pressing run and stop button. Here you can see the frequency modulation, higher frequency and in some region and lower frequency in some region. You can superimpose the TTL signal with a modulated signal and visualize the two frequency. Higher frequency at digital signal 1 and lower frequency when the digital signal is low. Here you can superimpose the two signals, that is input signal and TTL signal. You can see when the TTL is high, the frequency is high, and when TTL is low, the frequency is also low. And as we have seen that the frequency, high frequency is nearly 2.2 kilohertz and lower frequency is nearly 1.01 or 02 kilohertz as observed while taking the reading. Here we can see at when the TTL signal is high, the frequency is doubled than the frequency is low. That is because the two frequencies are nearly 1 kilohertz and 2 kilohertz. The observations are, you can measure a mark frequency when input is high and space frequency when input is TTL input is low. Then calculate the mark frequency by using formula 1 upon R1 C1 and space frequency using formula Fs is equal to 1 upon R2 C1. Calculate it and compare it with observed frequency. This is about the observation table. Then you can trace these waveforms also using a trace paper, and you can see the clear-cut frequency shift keying or digital frequency modulation. Hope you understand it. This is just a demonstration. When it is possible, you can actually come to laboratory and perform this frequency shift keying experiment using IC XR22 06. Thank you very much.